In Episode 4 of the Comet 1 project, we build the floor panels, nose cap, control columns, and finish with some painting. For Section 1's floor panels, floating anchor nuts were used for fasteners. This enables the panels to be removed without having access underneath them. Here, we're using transfer paper to make templates that match the anchor nut locations. We also had some help from June, our 4-year-old assistant. Hard to believe we got this far in the project without a drill press. Here it is, a 1970s vintage Craftsman drill press. Next, the nose cap was produced. The Comet 1 didn't have weather radar, so it featured a pressed aluminum nose cap. We couldn't reproduce that, and fiberglass was the best solution. A mold was designed out of concentric plywood circles glued and screwed together in a precise shape. Here, Steve and Levi build up the mold. Brett completed it, shaping it perfectly to match the Comet's contours. After many weeks of hard work, Brett produced the fiberglass nose cap. It fit with absolute perfection. Attaching the fiberglass nose cap was the next challenge. Matt, Tristan, Levi, and Steve spent an entire day fastening it to Section 1. Thanks to Brett's workmanship, it could not have fit more perfectly. Moving on to the control columns and wheels, Steve started design drawings. 2 authentic control columns were sourced from the UK. These were not easy to find. These are extremely rare. 3D models were made to plan the mechanisms that would connect the 2 control wheels together. The 2 authentic control columns were corroded and in poor shape. Steve and Levi prototyped the structures to house the columns, with Levi machining custom parts. A reproduction floor structure was built so all the parts could be shipped to Art. There, Art would produce the final control column system. At Art's shop in Florida, he fabricated 2 replica de Havilland Comet control wheels and all the mechanisms to make it work. Art's masterpiece was built. 2 functioning control wheels and columns, an exact replica. It was all shipped back to us for eventual installation. Next, the interior window structure was to be painted, and Section 1 was rolled outside for painting, its first time outside as a fully riveted structure. The windows were reinstalled and the protective covers removed. Section 1's structure was complete. Come back for episode 5 where we move section 1 to its new home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make a donation at dehavillandcomet.com so we can continue funding the Comet Project.